When the model is trained with the default logical model, the skill may not always recognize when to route an utterance to the SQL conversation. To improve the model, we should add synonyms, value lists, and utterances to help the skill associate natural language phrases with the physical model's tables and columns. To teach the skill about the different ways people refer to objects, we modify the entity and attribute primary names and add synonyms. We can also associate attributes with value lists and dynamic entities to improve the results. In the Dataset menu, we have more options to enhance the model. You can help users learn about the database queries by providing autocomplete suggestions. The provided utterance will be converted to a query. Accurate routing of utterances to the SQL conversation requires a lot of sample utterances with the translated query. On the Generated Routing Data tab, you can quickly generate 100 utterances that reflect questions the logical model can answer. It can take a few minutes to generate the data. The data is generated based on templates called buckets. You should curate and edit the generated data utterances and queries and approve the ones that assist with accurate routing. Where the skill is not interpreting natural language queries correctly, you can use custom training data to teach the correct interpretation. If I ask, "Show me all the managers," this will create a query that is not correct, as it does not filter by the job attribute. By using custom training data, we are able to correct this mapping and provide more utterances to improve the model classification. The combined routing data is an aggregation of all autocomplete suggestions, custom training data, and generated and handcrafted routing data. All of these help the skill route SQL queries to the SQL conversation.